Hello guys, today I have the XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro and I'm going to show you how to set up the AI erratic assistant in your HyperOS 3. So, the first thing that you need to know is that you need to just access the keyboard. So let me, for example, open here Google. Now you need to find the button here called, when you tap here, in a moment, here. If you hold your finger over here, you'll see this pen icon. Tap this pen icon. As you can see, enter your prompts. Just you need to here enter any prompt, for example, story about HardReset.info YouTube channel. And now here, tap this arrow icon. As you can see, I don't have any Wi-Fi connection, so I won't show you this, but that's how it works. Goodbye.